Hi everyone, it's Sarah, also known as SoCraftastic here on YouTube. And today, on behalf of Rainbow Loom, I am about to introduce a brand new product to you. Are you ready? Ta-da! The Autoloom Twin. This right here is a bead bracelet kit and a really colorful one at that. Look how pretty this is. There is not just one, but two Autolooms in this kit along with so many beads and bands. Just how many you may want to know? Let's get into the box so I can show you. There is a little seal here. I'm gonna carefully break into that with a pair of scissors. So now the real magic can begin. Look how cute! Everything's really organized in here. The contents of the kit, of course, include two Autolooms, hence the Autoloom Twins. Two different colors, this kind of orchid and a turquoise. We have the bands, 1,500 rubber bands in quite a few different colors. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As for beads, there are 30 of these beadmoji beads. There are some really adorable designs on these, some really inspirational ones, a lot of variety. 60 spacer beads in 4 different colors. They look kind of like flowers, they're pretty. 40 of these clear easy clips. 100 pony beads. There are 50 of this translucent sparkly kind and 50 opaque. Quite a few color options. Again, you can really customize your bracelets with this kit. And of course, a really nifty instruction guide. This is going to be very, very helpful. Even though it's such an easy product to use, this will guide you through it step by step. And I'll also do a demo of everything. Take a look at the back here. The mechanism of the Autoloom is actually powered by rubber bands. How cool is that? So let's see how it works by making a bracelet. There are a couple different style bracelets we can do, including a single and a fishtail. I'm gonna grab some bands and I'm gonna show you my first attempt at trying an Autoloom. I'm gonna use this Autoloom, the really pretty orchid one, and I'm going to start with the kind of highlighter yellow color. I'm going to twist that into a figure 8, and then we'll go with the second band, magenta, and I'm gonna put that over just normal and make sure the band is on top and doesn't overlap. I'm pushing them down as far as I can. And for the third band, everyone meet Phoenix. Over here, please. Thank you. And for the third band, no! Please, no bands for you. And for the third band, I'm putting this really pretty pastel purple one on top, just normal. After all 3 bands are placed, you want to make sure that they are not overlapping and they're pushed down as far as they can go. On either side, a little hook is going to come up as I press the lever. You can either do this on a hard flat surface like a table, or you can go ahead and use your thumb or your fingers to press it. But I'm just going to go like this, and ready? It did it! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So that yellow band just got moved, and now I'm gonna push down the other 2 bands. I'm gonna go ahead and add a white one. You wanna always have 3 bands on there. Never overlapping, and always push down as far as they can go. And there we go. Oh! It works so well. Now for a teal, and once you get the flow going, it's gonna go by so much more quickly. You can probably make your bracelets about 4 times faster than normal, depending on how fast you are. But, oh my gosh, that is perfect. Look at that. Final one I'm gonna do is this orange one. Ready, set, pull. I've added a few more. It has been going by so quickly. We start back at yellow. And then pink. Purple, white. Oh, look how easy this is. I love this. I wish I would have had this years ago. This is such a nifty invention. Really, I think the part that takes the longest is just trying to remember which color comes next. I should have laid them out, but that's okay. At this point, I now have enough bands, so it's long enough to fit around my wrist, and I'm going to do this last push of the lever to bring the white band over the top. And then I'm gonna grab an easy clip and I'm gonna put that through one side of the teal band here. Then I'm going to carefully remove everything from the auto loom. And you can see the other end of the teal band is loose, so I'm attaching that to the easy clip to secure the design. Finally, I'm attaching the first band to the other side of the easy clip to hold everything together. And look at this, my very first bracelet using the auto loom. How beautiful. I really like the colors. If you want to add a pony bead to your bracelet, go ahead and place one end of the rubber band through the hole of the bead, and you're just gonna slide the bead to the middle of the band, hold it in place, then go ahead and put that onto the auto loom just like you would any other rubber band. Wrap the one end around, make sure the bead stays in place while you're putting the other end, and then it should just be like you're making the bracelet normally. Add one band at a time, and you can add even more beads along the way if you want to. For even more fun and customization options, if you want to add spacer beads or beadmoji beads to your bracelet, the easy clip makes this really simple to do. One at a time, go ahead and slide either a spacer bead or a beadmoji bead onto the fishtail until your desired look is achieved. Here are the bracelets I created. Let us know in the comment section below which bracelet from this video is your favorite. If you would like to get your hands on an auto loom twin, the kit will be available to purchase from independent retail stores in addition to Rainbow Loom's website, rainbowloom.com. Go ahead and check out the description box below for links and information. Rainbow Loom and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. The Rainbow Loom goodbye. See ya.